Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. In miscellaneous problems, problem number 5, they are given a matrix A and they asked us to verify A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into I3. So we are going to prove 3, okay, first, second and third. So first we'll find out determinant A and then we will proceed with the others. Okay, 1 into first minor, so plus minus plus, minus again 1 into the second minor, plus 1 into our third minor. So first row, first column, when you eliminate you will get 4, 7, minus 1, 1. Okay, then coming to our second column, when you eliminate the second column you will get 3, 7, 1, 1. Okay, then when you eliminate the third column, third element, third column, your minor is going to be 3, 4, 1, minus 1. Now expanding this, you will get determinant A equal to, we need to write 1, so 4 minus into minus plus, so 4 plus 7 first minor, minus 3 minus 7 plus minus 3 minus 4. So that is going to be 11 minus into minus plus 4 minus 7. So 15 minus 7 is going to be 8. So this is our determinant A. So we have got determinant A as 8. Let us keep this aside. Now we will go to what we have to prove. To prove A into adjoint A into A and A determinant A into I3. Okay. So now for this we have to find adjoint A. We have got a short step. Shorter method for that. What we have to do? First we have to write our A as it is 3, 4, 7, 1, minus 1, 1. Then repeat your first two columns 1, 4, minus 1. Now repeat your first two rows. This is a shortcut method. I have put a separate video. I will attach that video to this video also. I will pin it up so that you can follow it. So after writing this, delete your first row and your first column. Now you are going to multiply column wise and write it row wise. This is going to be your adjoint A. Okay. So 4 into 1, 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is going to give you 11. Then minus 1, minus 1. So minus 2 is the second element. And third one, 7 minus 4. So it is going to be 3. So multiply column wise and write it row wise. Second column will give you the second row. 7 minus 3 gives you 4. 1 minus 1 gives you 0. 3 minus 7 gives you minus 4. Now third column, minus 3 minus 4 gives you minus 7. 1 plus 1 gives you 2 and 4 minus 3 gives you 1. So this is going to be your adjoint A. Now we have got A and adjoint A. Now we are going to do the first one. What is our first one? A into adjoint A. Okay, what is our 1? What is our A? 1, 1, 1, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 1 minus 1, 1. This is going to be our A and our adjoint A 11 minus 2, 3, 4, 0, minus 4, minus 7, 2, 1. Now we are going to multiply row into column. Okay. So what is going to be your first element? 11 plus 4 minus 7. Second one, first row into second column, minus 2 plus 0 plus 2. First row into our third column, 3 minus 4 plus 1. Now coming to our second row into our first column, 33 plus 16 minus 49, minus 6 plus 0 plus 14. Third one, 9 minus 16 plus 7. Now third row into our first column, 11 minus 4 minus 7, minus 2 plus 0 plus 2 and 3 plus 4 plus 1. When you multiply itself, you can find out this is going to come as We have got determined A8, isn't it? So you're going to get 8, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0 and 0, 0, 8. So when you multiply itself, you can find out your answer. Okay. So this is going to be, first row is 8, 0, 0. Second one is 0, 8, 0. Third row 0, 0, 8. So this is going to be your first result. Keep it as 1. Now second one, adjoint A into A. So first adjoint, 11 minus 2, 3, 4, 0, minus 4, minus 1, 2, 1. This, sorry, minus 7, isn't it? This is minus 7. Our A, 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, 7, 1, minus 1, 1. Now again multiply row into column. You're going to get 11 minus 6 plus 3. Second one, 11 minus 8 minus 3. Third one, 11 minus 14 plus 3. Now second row into our first column. 4 plus 0 minus 4. 4 plus 0 plus 4. 4 plus 0 minus 4. Now coming to our third row, first column, minus 7 plus 6 plus 1, minus 7 plus 8 minus 1, and minus 7 plus 14 plus 1. From this also the same result you are going to get. So as you add and subtract, you are getting 8, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0 and 0, 0, 8. So this is going to be our 2. What is our third part? Third part is determinant A into I3. What is our determinant A is 8. What is our I3? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So when you multiply by 8, you will get 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, 8. So this is going to be 3. So from this, from 1, 2 and 3, what do you get? All are equal, isn't it? From 1, 2 and 3 we have verified. This is proved. Okay. A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to this is hence proved. So you have to write your result. And what is this actually equal to? Isn't it? We can write even that also. So this is equal to, what did you get as answer? 8, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, 8. This is the answer we got. Hence proved. Thank you.